Hello, dear friends. Today I am here with one important information, that is, what are the different educational and essential desirable qualifications for various posts in library science field. First, coming to the post of cataloger cum classifier, the minimum education qualification is diploma in library science. And coming to assistant librarian, here the educational qualification is BLIS. And in some research universities, the qualification asked for assistant librarian is MLIS plus NET. And coming to librarian of university, the educational qualification required is MLIS plus PhD plus 10 years of working experience. And coming to scientific officer, the educational qualification for scientific officer is MLIS plus 5 or 3 years experience. And library assistant, the qualification is BLIS. And library staff assistant is similar to library assistant, and this also has the educational qualification as BLIS. And coming to lecturer, here the entry level post is assistant professor. For assistant professor, the educational qualification required is MLIS and NET. Here I would like to mention a point that even IGNOU hires the candidates for assistant professor post with MLIS plus NET. There is no experience required for this assistant professor. And coming to professional assistant, here the educational qualification required is BLIS or MLIS. And for BLIS candidates who does not have MLIS as their educational qualification, the desirable qualification is BLIS plus 3 years working experience. And coming to library attendant, the library attendant is the minimum entry level in library science field with diploma in library science as educational qualification. And coming to librarian in Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangastan and Navodaya Vidyalaya Sangastan, the educational qualification required is 1 year graduate diploma in library science with 1 year working experience or bachelor's degree in library science. And this is the most awaited recruitment notification of every librarian aspirant. And next, coming to library and information office assistant, the required educational qualification is BLIS plus 2 years working experience. And the post director of research institution or educational institution is MLIS with 7 years working experience. PhD is desirable. And coming to deputy librarian, the deputy librarian requires MLIS plus 8 years working experience, and PhD is most desirable. And coming to documentation officer, the educational qualification is BLIS plus 2 years of working experience. And coming to assistant professor, here assistant professor is the next phase of assistant professor, and here the associate professor requires MLIS plus 8 years working experience, and PhD is desirable. And coming to assistant librarian and information officer, this is the gazetted group B post, and this has 3 categories, that is, the person already working in this group and does not possess any educational qualification library science, he just need 2 years working experience. And for persons who had bachelor's degree in library science, then he is eligible to apply, and the person having MLIS is also eligible to apply. And now, dear friends, these are the various recruitment notifications that are released only just in the month of November, all in various states. By keenly observing all these recruitment notifications, I have came to a conclusion that to have a very bright future in library science field, every candidate must possess master's degree in library science as their educational qualification plus NET qualification. NET is asked in many of the recruitment notification as educational qualification. And next important is the working experience. Many of the recruitment notifications are asking for working experience. So dear friends, if you have a chance to work in a private library on contract basis or on temporary basis, kindly you take an opportunity to have an experience. Dear aspirants, if you find this as encouraging, kindly subscribe for more important information. Thank you.